Hello friends, welcome back to this video on the course of data structure. Now in this particular video, we are going to discuss about one more application of stack, how it can be used to check the balanced parenthesis. Balanced parenthesis in the sense, as we know that an expression constitutes of the parenthesis, which can have a left or a right parenthesis, and while writing an expression we can write the part of the expression within parenthesis using these two symbols, or we can use the flower bracket, or even I can write some part of the expression within this angle bracket. Now in this particular video what we are going to do is we are going to check whether the given expression has a balanced parenthesis or not. Now what do you mean by a balanced parenthesis expression? So assume that if there is an expression a plus b and the expression a plus b is written within the left and the right parenthesis, now this is a valid one. Similarly, if the expression is written between two flower bracket a plus b, even this is a valid expression. Now this one, left angle bracket and right angle bracket, if I have a plus b, now even this is fine. But if I have an expression written within, first I have a right parenthesis and then a left parenthesis, note that this is not valid. Similarly, if I have a right flower bracket and a left flower bracket, this is invalid. If I have a right angle bracket and a left angle bracket, even this is invalid. Some more examples for invalid balanced expressions are, say for example, I have a left parenthesis but I use the right flower bracket, this is invalid. If I have a left flower bracket and then the right angle bracket, even this is invalid. Now if I have a left parenthesis followed by a left flower bracket followed by a right flower bracket and a right parenthesis, this is a valid one. If I have a left angle bracket, if I have a left flower bracket followed by a left parenthesis, then a right parenthesis, a right angle bracket and right flower bracket and a right angle bracket, now even this is also a valid. Now if I have a left parenthesis, a right angle bracket, a left flower bracket followed by a right flower bracket, then a right parenthesis, a right angle bracket and a right parenthesis. If you see, this left parenthesis matches with this right parenthesis. This left parenthesis it should match with a corresponding right parenthesis here, but there is a right angle bracket here, so this is invalid. Now our objective is, given any of this particular input, I should state whether the expression is valid or not. Hope the objective is clear. Now what we'll do is, we'll write a function, let the function return either 1 or 0. 1 means it is valid, and if it returns 0, it is invalid. I'll have the function name as balance parenthesis, BAL parenthesis check, to which the argument is, the first argument is the reference of the stack. Hope in my previous video you might have seen how to implement a stack. Now in this case, I'm using the concept of stack with the structure and pointer. So the first argument to my function is the reference of stack, which is a pointer variable. Now second argument is my expression, char expression. You know that expression is basically a string. Now coming to the arguments, I need to go through all the characters in the expression. So int I. Next, I will use one more variable, a variable by name temp of the data type char. Why char? Because I need to pop some elements from the stack. So to hold the return value of pop, I am using a variable called temp. Let me use one more variable called flat. and initially I will assume that flag is having a value of 1. Now finally in my code I am going to return the flag, which may either be true or which may either be false. Now coming to the statement, so input is an expression. I have to check whether that particular expression is balanced or not. So I need to go through all the characters in that particular expression. So I am taking a for loop. For I is equal to 0, expression of I not equal to null character I plus plus. Symbol is equal to expression of I. So expression of I is a string and one of the character is stored in a symbol. So I will declare one more variable by name symbol. Now, as we know that whenever we write a balanced parenthesis, we generally come across the left parenthesis or the left angle bracket or the left flower bracket first. So while scanning the expression, if any of the character is a left parenthesis or a left angle bracket or a left flower bracket, I need to push it onto stack. So I am going to write a condition: if symbol is equal to a left parenthesis, or if symbol is a left angle bracket, or symbol is equal to a left flower bracket. If any of this condition is true, what I will do, I will just push that symbol onto my stack. Push yes comma symbol. Else, I will write an else part here. Else, if first I am going to check if I am going to get else part means, okay, if any of the scan symbol is not a left parenthesis, left angle bracket or the left flower bracket. So before this, if there are any elements in my stack, then it is false. So if S of top, if S of top not equal to -1, if S of top not equal to -1, or I am going to check whether, rather than using not equal to -1, if my first scan symbol is a right parenthesis only, it will directly come for the else part. So in that case, if S of top is equal to -1, I will have flag is equal to 0. I will have flag is equal to 0. Else, open this else part. Now, what I need to do, I need to pop an element. I need to pop an element from the stack. So temp is equal to pop of yes. Hope till here it is clear. Now what we have done is, I am reading the expression from left to right. If the scan symbol is a left parenthesis, or if it is a left angle bracket or a left flower bracket, I am pushing the symbol onto the stack. If it is not true, if the scan symbol is a right parenthesis, if I directly get a right parenthesis as my first character in the expression, then the stack will be empty. So if S of top is equal to -1, I am initializing flag to be 0. So before that, okay, anyway, I have initialized flag to be 1. Else temp is equal to pop. I am popping. Now what I am supposed to do after this, just stop this part of the code. Note that for loop is being opened. There is an open for else and there is an open for this else. I need to, there are 3 brackets to be closed as well as one for the function. Now after popping, what I am supposed to do, I need to check if scanned symbol was a right parenthesis. If the scanned symbol was a right parenthesis, for a right parenthesis I should get a left parenthesis if I pop. And temp is equal to opposite of this. Okay, opposite of this was a left parenthesis, but when I pop, if I get a left ankle bracket or temp is equal to a left flower bracket. Now if this condition is true, I need to set flag as 0. Now repeat the same thing for the other two characters. If the scanned symbol is equal to a right ankle bracket and the popped element is not the context of this. If it is a left parenthesis or if temp is equal to left flower bracket. Even in this case, flag is set to 0. The other case, if symbol is equal to a right flower bracket, but the popped element is a left parenthesis or if it is a left ankle bracket. Even in this case, my flag is 0. Now what you need to do? Close the else part, close the second else and close your for loop. Now even after this, if your stack is not empty, if s of top not equal to -1, set flag is equal to 0. If not, return your flag wherein initially I have initialized flag to be 1. Hope this is clear. Now what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to call this particular function in your main, and in your main function you should read one of the input as the expression that needs to be supplied as the second argument to this particular function. Note that the supporting function for this function are the push and pop. You are supposed to write a push function as well as the pop function, wherein you are pushing a character onto the stack as well as you are popping a character from the stack. All this function, all those push and pop function, we have discussed in the earlier video. You can check my earlier video wherein we have pushed some character and we have popped some character from the stack. Hope this is clear. This is about how to check whether a given parenthesis is a balanced one or not. Thank you.